In a family of 6, everybody plays volleyball or basketball. 4 members of the family play both sports and 1 member of the family plays only basketball. How many play volleyball? Okay, so this information in a family of 6, this refers to universal set. Now, universal set is 6. Everybody plays volleyball and basketball. So nobody don't play any of the 2 sports. So they all play either volleyball and basketball. Okay. Now, how many sports involved? There are 2 sports involved. And how many circles we will draw in a Venn diagram? There should be 2 circles because there are 2 sports involved. So here for the number 13, in a family of 6, so our U here is 6, family of 6. And there are 2 sports involved, basketball and volleyball. So therefore, you will draw 2 circles. Now, this is the circle for volleyball and this is the circle for basketball. Now, we will find out the information which states that there are a number of members of the family who play both volleyball and basketball. Is there any information like that? So number 13, let's go back to the problem. So, everybody plays volleyball and basketball. 4 members of the family play both sports. So both sports means intersection. So therefore, 4 should be written here. 4. Now, after that, and 1 member of the family plays only basketball. So, this is only basketball, this is only volleyball. So, 1 is here, only basketball. Now, all of the 6 plays any of the 2. So, therefore, there are 6. So, therefore, this is 1. Okay? They all play either volleyball and basketball. Nobody don't like any of the 2. So, therefore, 1 is for volleyball. Okay, what is the question for number 13? How many play volleyball? So, the answer is, how many play volleyball? Volleyball. So, there's no word as only. So, how many play volleyball? So, this is for volleyball. So, there are 1 plus 4, that's 5. So, 5 is the answer for number 12. Is there any 5 for number 12? Is there any 5? Yes, there is. 5. Okay. Number 14. Among the 70 students in a Cantularoy Elementary School, 70 students. 42 like eating ice cream, while 53 like eating lychee plant. How many students like eating ice cream only? Okay, still, our universal set is 70. Okay, you will draw 2 circles for number 14. So, a Venn diagram. Now, universal set is number 14. There are 70 students. And there are 2 dessert, ice cream and lychee plant. So, you will draw 2 circles, intersecting circles. This circle is for ice cream and this circle for lychee plant. Now, 42, okay, next is 42 like eating ice cream, while 53 like eating lychee plant. Okay. How many students like eating ice cream only? Now, there are 70 students in Cantularoy, only 70. There are 42 for ice cream and 53 for lychee plant. So, if you add up 42 plus 53, the answer is 95. It exceeds 70. So, when you add up, okay, when you add up 42 plus 53, 42 plus 53, the answer is 95. And there are, oh, wait. Here, 92, 42 plus 53, the answer is 95. There are 70 students. So therefore, 95 exceed what? So minus 70, that is 5, exceed 25. So 95 exceed 25 of 70. So this 25 here should be written at the center. Okay? Should be written at the center, or the intersection of ice cream and lychee plant. Now, let's go back to the information number 14. Number 14. 42 like eating ice cream. So 42. So 42, we have already 25. So what is lacking? Ice cream. 42 for ice cream. We have already 25. What is lacking to 25 to get 42? What is lacking to 45 to get 42? The answer is 17. So this should be 17. It's 42 in all. 17 plus 25 is 42. Now next, for lychee plant. There are 53 like eating lychee plant. So 53 should be 53. So what is lacking to 25 to get 53? That's 28. Okay. So when you add up all the three, 17 plus 25 plus 28, the answer is 70. Okay. Now, question number 14. Question number 14. How many students like eating ice cream only? Okay, ice cream only. So, this is ice cream only, lychee plant only. So, the answer is ice cream only. This 17 is the answer. And that is letter 17, that letter A. Okay, number 15. Okay, here is number 15. In a survey of 1,200 households, 950 students said they had television in the house, 350 said they had laptop, and 200 they have both television and laptop. How many in the survey had television only? So in a survey of 1,200 households, so this is universal set. Okay, how many gadgets involved? There are, first is television, the second is laptop. So how many gadgets involved? There are 2, television and laptop. So therefore, number 15, you will draw a Venn diagram. So your universal set is 1,200. There are 2 gadgets involved. We have television and laptop. We'll draw 2 circles, television and laptop. Now, is there any information that involves how many students who like both television and laptop? So let's go over with the problem. Okay, 950 said they had television in house, 350 said they had laptop, and 200 said they had both television and laptop. So both television and laptop, this means intersection. So this is the center, both television and laptop. So therefore here is 200. So this is 200. Now for television, let's go back again to the problem. Television, 200. Now there are 950 said they had television. So television, 950. 950 for television. So we had 200 already. What is lacking to 200 to get 950? It's 750. Okay. Now for laptop, how many are for laptop? 350 said they had laptop. So 350. There is 200 already for this circle for laptop. What is lacking to 200 to get 350? So the answer is 150. Okay. Now, what is the question? How many students, where is it? How many in the survey had television only? Television only. So this is television only and this is laptop only. So therefore the answer is 750. So the answer is 750. So let's proceed to the next. Okay, here is it. Okay. Now, There is already answer for this problem number 1. Here are the steps in solving problems. So this is the problem given. Okay. In a group of 60 people, 27 like coffee and 42 likes tea, and each one person likes at least one of the 2 drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? Now, you are given a step on how to solve the problem. So, step 1, write the given information. Step 2, make a plan. Step 3, execute. Then, use another strategy if you fail to answer the problem. And step 4, look back and reflect or check your answer. Okay. Now, you are given the problem. Understand, make a plan, carry out, and until you understand. So, I will leave it to you as reading. You can read this one over and over so that you will understand better. So let's proceed to, okay, here is the reading. Example problem and its answer. How will you answer? And here, example problem and how you will answer. Okay. Next. Here is it. Okay. Let's have independent activity 1. Okay. Let's have this one. Independent activity 1. Directions. Read and analyze the problem below and give what is asked. Okay. Now, in a survey, students were asked about their favorite subjects. The results are as follows. 130 students like math, 160 students like science, 46 students like English, and 51 students like English and math and science and English, 36 students like math and science, and 38 students like math and English, and 22 students like all 3 subjects. The secret in answering this problem is to draw a Venn diagram. So for this, we will draw a Venn diagram. Okay. Now, how many subjects involved? So we have math, science, English. There are 3. So therefore, how many circles we will draw? There should be 3 intersecting circles. So from 3 intersecting circles, okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now, what are these circles? We have math, science, and English. So we have math, this is science, and this is English. Now, to fill in the Venn diagram, you start at the information in which it fill in the intersection of math, science, and English. This portion here, intersection of math, science, and English, or students who like all the 3 subjects. So, is there any information from the given? Okay, here's the problem. So, you start at the last information. 22 students like all 3 subjects. All 3 subjects. So, this is the intersection of math, science, English. 22 students like all 3 subjects. So, here, you will write at the center 22. Next, you proceed to the next information. 38 students like math and English. So, math and English. So, this is math and this is English. Okay. Now, the intersection of math and English is this portion here. Okay. Now, there are 38 students like math and English. So, 38. So, the intersection of math and English is 38. So, there is 22 already. What is lacking to 22 to get 38. So it's 16, right? It is 16. Okay, 38. Now next is 36 students like math and science. Math and science. There are 36 students. So intersection of math and science, there are 36. So what is lacking to 22 to get 36? It's 14. Okay. Now next information is here. Information is here. Okay. 51 students like science and English. Science and English. So we have here science and English. We have 51. So intersection of science and English. So this is intersection of science and English. There are 51 in all. So what is lacking to 22 to get 51? So it's 29 here for science, English only. Now, another information. So we are done with this. Next is 46 students like English. So English, we will solve for English. No, English. 46 students. Okay, 46 students. 46 students like English. So this is English. 22 plus 29. It's 51 already. Okay, this problem is erroneous. This problem is erroneous. So let's proceed to the next. This could not be answered because of this 46. We had already 22 plus 16 plus 29. It exceeds 46. So it defies the information given. So this problem cannot be answered. Now next, let's proceed to independent assessment 1. Okay, independent assessment 1. Here is it. So direction. Read and analyze this problem below. Choose the correct answer from the choices below and write your answers in your notebook. For answers 1 to 5, refer to the problem below. So here is the information. In a survey of 100 students, 35 loved math, 56 loved science, and 18 loved both subjects. How many neither love math nor science? Okay. Now, still we will draw a Venn diagram out of it, out of the problem. In a survey of 100 students, so this is our universal set. There are 100 students. Love math, love science, and love both subjects. So this love both subjects, this means intersection. Okay, so there are 2 subjects, therefore we will draw 2 circles here. Okay, a Venn diagram still. Okay, so our U here is 100, and there are 2 circles, math and science. Math and science. There are 2 circles, math and science. Then 35, 50, and 18 love both subjects. So both 18 both. So intersection 18 here. Both math and science. Now let's go back to the previous information. 56 love science. So science, this should be 56. What is lacking to 18 to get 56? It's 38. So this should be 38. Okay. Now, so 18 plus 38 is 56. Now next for math. Math, 35 loved math. So 35 loved math. So we had already 18 here. So 18. What is lacking to 18 to get 35? What is lacking to 18 to get 35? It's 17. Okay. So 35. Now, let's answer the question here. Let's answer the question from And we will base our answer from our Venn diagram here. Okay. Okay, now. But before that, let's check whether all of these, if we add all of this, it equate to 100. It is equal to 100. So 17 plus 18, it's 35. So 35 plus 38 is 73. 73 only. But our universal set is 100. So therefore, 100 minus 73, the answer is, what is the answer? This is 27. So therefore, the 27 is here. Do not like any of the two subjects. Math, science, do not like. So there are 27. Okay, now, what is the question? How many students love math alone or math only? So math only is 17. So here is 17. Now, how many students love science alone or science only? It's 38. 38. Now, number 3. How many students are there in the survey? How many students are there in the survey? So there are, it's asking about the universal set. So the answer is 100. So therefore, the answer for how many students are there in the survey is 100. It's letter D. 100, letter D. So number 4, how many neither love math nor science? So this question is asking about complement. So this question is asking about complement. Neither love math nor science. So this is complement. Neither love math nor science. So the answer is 27. So where is 27? So letter A is our answer. Now number 5. How many love both math and science? Means both means intersection. So intersection, our Venn diagram. So this is the intersection of math and science. These students love both math and science. So this is 18. So 18 is there. So our answer.